What will determine my motivation to play the piano? Well, one of the most obvious determinants of my motivation to play the piano is, can I play the piano? You can't motivate me to play a piano if I can't play the piano. You can't motivate me to fly an airplane if I can't fly an airplane. So one of the most basic variables that we forget with all the psychologizing about people's attitudes and so on is, can they do it? Ability. You can't motivate anybody to do a good job who can't do a good job. So one of the most powerful motivators that you have in your personnel armamentarium is training. The more a person can do, the more you can motivate him. All right, if you want to motivate me to play the piano, I have to know how to play the piano. Now that I can play the piano, what will motivate me to play the piano? Well, do I have a piano to play? It's very simple. And that is opportunity. Motivation is a function of ability and a function of the opportunity to use that ability. The biggest problem that we've had in industry is the opportunity to use one's ability. What we've substituted for opportunity is cultural noises of responsibility. This is a very responsible job. I want you to be responsible to be an idiot. I need responsible idiots. And this is where job enrichment comes in. The job enrichment movement is to give people the opportunity to use their ability.